Jason. Jason Derulo.
Get jazzy on 'em. I'm that flight that you get on, international.
Hey, what's up you guys? So today we're going to do a YouTube celebrity inspired makeup tutorial, and this time I'm going to do Lily's Bug. If you don't know her, I don't know why you don't know her, so I'll put her channel down below. She's a comedian, she's the girlfriend of Shane Dawson. She's so awesome, she's so funny. Just go check her out. She is the epitome of cuteness. So if you want to learn how I did or recreated her signature look, then just keep on watching.
Get jazzy on 'em. You know the words in my songs. No habla English. Our conversations ain't long, but you know what is. I know what that girl them want. London to Taiwan. I got lipstick stamps on my passport. I think I need a new one. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when you talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Met your friend in Rio. She was all on me. We can make Nazi 3 Oh yeah.
Those cadenas close to genius. Sold out arenas, you can suck my penis. Gilbert Arenas, guns on deck. Chest to chest, tongue on neck. International oral sex. Every picture I take, I pose a threat. Bold and jet, what you expect? Her pussy so good, I bought her a pet. Anyway, every day I'm trying to get to it. Gotta say to my phone on the big booty. Anyway, every day I'm trying to get to it. Gotta say to my phone on the big booty.
Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when you talk dirty to me.
So that's it for our look. It's very simple, it's very easy to do, but at the same time it looks very nice and very defined. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found this helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Tish. I upload every Friday, and I'll just see you on my next video. Bye!